When we've entered a bill, a purchase invoice into QuickBooks, the next stage of the process is actually paying that bill, paying the amount that's outstanding to the supplier. So we go to the plus sign again in the top left here. Under suppliers, we can see the option under bills. The next one down is pay bills. So if we go into our pay bills screen, we'll see a list of bills that are outstanding, bills entered waiting payment. And at the top here, we can tell it which bank account or cash account we're taking payment from. Or it could actually be a credit card account as well. So there's another option. So we're picking the account for payment. We're picking the date that we're paying it. We can put a payment reference in if we wish. And we will see a list of the outstanding bills. If there's numerous bills on here, because you enter a lot of bills, the filter here will help you to identify bills for a particular payee. So you can filter it to say only show me bills for a particular payee via this route. But in this case, we've only got a limited number of bills. There's only 7 bills in here, so I can see all the bills that are outstanding. You'll also see here, it will tell me the balance outstanding on the bill. It will also tell me if there is a credit available to apply to the bill. So in the instance here at the top, there's no credits available, but on the bottom here, we've got the option of a credit. And as soon as we tick this one to pay, it will bring up the credit balance for us on here. But if we're doing a straightforward payment, say we're paying Jennifer here, I would simply check the right bank account, check the payment date, and tick the bill for Jennifer, and it will populate here the payment amount. So it's suggesting I'm paying the full amount, and there I would say 240 in the top right as well. If I'm part paying it, I can change the figure here and pay part of that, so I might just be paying 200 of it. That would work for me. If I click out there, it changes the amount to 200 to pay, and it will leave an outstanding balance on my account. Yeah, so I can part pay from here as well. But in this instance, I'm going to fully pay the amount to Jennifer. So if I put the 240 in there, and at the bottom I can save and send, save and print, or save and close, or purely save here. So if I save that entry, then that payment has gone. Through QuickBooks, there's only 6 payments left. I can do another payment there if I wished to process another payment, but that actually payment is now showing coming out of the bank, and it's showing that I no longer owe Jennifer the money against that particular bill. So that's paying a bill manually through QuickBooks Online.